Hey guys, good morning and welcome to Forex Trading, your trading group. I'm Cram, my partner's Cash, and we're here to teach you guys everything day trading in these markets to start making you profitable on a daily basis. A quick disclaimer, you guys, we are not a buy or sell channel. Let me repeat that. We are not a buy or sell channel. We use technical and fundamental analysis to find potential opportunities in these markets to bank pips, which we then convert into money, alright? So, if you're looking for someone who's going to tell you to buy now or sell now, you are on the wrong stream. But if you're looking for someone who's going to teach you how to trade these Forex markets live, excuse me guys, I'm a little sick. And if you guys are looking to learn the Forex strategy, then stick around because that's exactly what we're going to do. I hope you guys are having a good day. Give me a quick second. I'm going to share my screen with y'all. Alright, I hope you guys can see my screen. Please let me know if y'all can. Awesome, thank you so much. Alright, cool. So I thought I'll do a little charting with you guys today, and I've been a little unwell from this morning, so I didn't really get too much of a chance to sit in the markets today. We had a banger of a London session this morning. Cash absolutely nailed it, the ones that caught DAX with her. Congratulations, you guys. I myself was up by 1.1% for London, and I'm actually all done. Yeah, DAX was insane. The buys really kicked in. Cash called it, she caught it, and it was lovely. Look at that. This is the move that she caught on DAX for you guys for London, okay? London, and that's a 200 pip move on London. That doesn't always happen, alright? So it was really one hell of a day, okay? Cool. So let's do the top down real quick on. So I already have gold, and I have GU done up. Let me just mark up some. Okay, so we've got some demand sitting here on gold. Excuse me, guys, 1 second. Okay, and maybe for the buys, we can start to look on the break of this neckline. Okay, this head and shoulders, we could have a nice little neckline that was formed right over here. We could get in on some short-term buys on the break of this structure. Okay, the top downs are gonna have to be quick today as well, but don't worry guys, y'all know me, I have y'all covered, I have y'all taken care of, okay? Alright, so we're coming into some supply. Excuse me guys, please excuse my voice today. I wanted to make sure that we had the session. I did have the thought of canceling today's, but then I was like, it's all good. We have people that are waiting to go live with us, so I'm here for you guys, okay? Okay, we've got some demand. This sitting here, okay? So let's see the break above supply or the break below demand. We could possibly look to catch one of these moves. I'll put on the boxes as we get closer to market open, but I am going to quickly do the top down on nasty and the dirty. Okay, so let's get this going. Okay. Alright, you guys, just give me a second. I'll get to the chat once we're done with this, okay? Alright, so, what are we looking like on Dow Jones on the daily? We have a nice little, that's our daily high. Also acts up as nice necklines sitting right here. I like it. We have a choppy head and shoulders, a double top. This would act up as our neckline, so I like this area for some daily resistance. Yes, 5 minutes for red folders. Watch your spreads, guys. Space is absolutely right, okay? Space, what are you trading? Okay, one-on-ones. What are we doing? GU? Remember what we spoke about, okay, Space? What are you looking at? What are we looking at? Okay, sounds good. Okay, one-on-ones, what are we building? What are we building over here, guys? I like the sound of that space. I'm gonna make everything super tight today. Alright, so let's get in small zones in and out. Okay, let's not look, guys, listen, we're scalping these markets, okay? Don't be looking for 15, 20, for 30, 40, 50 pips. Be happy with the 5, 10, 15 pips that you guys get, and then you'll need to know with the right risk management, 5 pips can make you a lot of money as well, okay? This game's all about risk management. The faster you'll realize that, the better it's gonna be for y'all. Yes, yes, Alex, good job. 4 minutes to go. Okay, demand sitting right here. Supply sitting right there. Okay, so we've got demand and supply. Pretty clear, you guys. Okay, let's see. Either or could be happening. Okay, so I've got about 2 more minutes to go. I'm just gonna blind eye the top down on Nasty just because we don't have enough time. Alright, so okay. I'm just gonna do it straight off the 5 minutes, guys. You don't always have to look at the higher time frames. If you have a clear understanding of the analysis, then you're gonna be able to do it even just straight off the short-term time frame. Okay. Okay, that's it. That's all we need. Okay, so we have some nice little demand that's sitting right here. And naturally we have some supply that's going to be coming in here. Okay, so we've got a demand, we've got a supply on Nasty. Let's see what they want to do. Alright, we could switch this up there, have a nice zone to zone move. That's our break of structure. And in case we want to push up, we're going to have find a higher time frame level. In case we want to push down, we're gonna jump into that. Okay, top down's done. We're all good to go, guys. Don't be trading each and everything. Just select one that you like and make sure you trade that. You don't need to be trading all the setups. It's not the way it works in these markets. Okay, so 1 minute to go for news. Buys look good up there. Alright, GU shots look good down here. You guys can scalp that. This is for the one-on-ones, you guys. If you don't want to be scalping this, you're looking at something like that. Okay? Up there, possibly up to our supply. Okay, and let's look at the indices. Starting to look juicy. Alright, let's see. Maybe we get the shots down here. We could push down. And of course, if we push higher, we could break our supply. Break past those sellers and push up to the next zone that's going to come right there. Same story with Nasty. Okay, 10 seconds to go for news, you guys. Let's have a good one. Please don't be over leveraging your accounts. I'm letting y'all know. I'm making it very clear to y'all right now, okay? So this is news, you guys. Let's have a good one. Alright, the first candle open up bullish. Medium impact. Alright, so we have as expected news. There you go. They're testing out our demand on Nasty. Oh, fuck me. Excuse my language. sells. And the shorts on GU. I'm in on GU right now. Okay, I'm in only with a little bit of a feeler, just testing it out. Alright, wait for price to do something like that. Close, retest, reject, make a move. Alright, nasty. The nasty tested demand. We're picking it up from there. And the US 30 is trading sideways. The DXY is bullish. Okay. Alright, let's see. Let's see. I'm just in on one little feeler for GU right now. Not doing too much. I'm just gonna wait. I'm gonna have my stop loss up there for GU in case it wants to reverse on me. It's a tiny position. Okay, 7 pips. That's like $8. Okay. Okay, let's see, guys. If we get momentum on GU, I'm looking chop on these. All right, chop on the indices. I'm gonna be trigger finger on this if you start to create a new low. Guys, you'll need to realize I'm looking for 5 pips, looking for 10 pips. Excuse me. 1 second, guys. I'm looking for 10 pips. Okay, so I know a lot of people that are looking for even lesser. And it's all good, alright, as long as you're able to bank your 5, 10, 15, whatever pips you need through your risk management, you're gonna be good, okay? Alright, so I'm in on GU right now, you guys. I'm up by about 600 on GU, 700 on GU, 800 on GU. I'm in with 2 positions now, and I'm up by about 700 all in all, okay? Let's see. I'm going to change these to break even, okay? Because I don't want to get stopped out, and I don't want to go in any sort of drawdown, right? So give me a second. 1.24301. Lovely. All right, I'm in a break even trade, and I'm up by 1,700 on GU, you guys. 1,500 and counting. Boom. You guys need to realize that we're going to get some... We're most likely going to catch some support from up there, okay? So be mindful of that. I just liquidated one of my positions. And I'm in break-even trade, so I'm not stressing out right now, okay? Boom, that's it. 2,300, 3,300. We're dropping on GU. We're dropping on gold. Sorry, you guys, but this is intense, all right? 35.24. Who is getting this with me? Space, my man. We did it. I love it. I love it. You're making me fall in love with GU all over again. Tanking! I'm up by 5,323 on GU right now. Intense, you guys. Intense. I love this. I'm pulling out my positions, guys. I'm sick, and a sick man cannot complain when $5,000 is sitting right in front of him, okay? 10 minutes of work, 5 grand in the bank. I'm happy. I'm done, all right? I'm liquidating. I'm just leaving about 10% of my position. All right, so I'm leaving I'm leaving $3 in these markets. Awesome. All right, I have an extremely small partial that's giving me about $234 right now, and that is on a break-even stop loss. Who caught that with me, guys? Who caught that with me? GU was beautiful. Nice move. Anyone caught gold? Anyone caught GU? What are you guys trading? Look at that. Nasty and the dirty both are approaching into our areas. I'm not personally going to be taking this. I made what I had to. But the ones that are trading the indices, sorry, GU guys, y'all had your win. I'm going to keep the indices on right now, okay? But look at that. Look at that. They're trying to drop, and they're trying to drop hard, all right? So let's see how this candle wants to close in the next 15 seconds, and we'll then try to get a retest rejection on it, okay? I'm really sorry about my voice today, you guys. I don't feel good at all. Okay, we have the impulse, we have a retest. Let's see if we want to get a rejection, and we want to push, and we want to create new structure, okay? GU win. I love that. I love that. Good stuff, Neha. Congratulations. Caught the dub on gold. Awesome. All right. So at this time, what I like to do is I like to switch this. By the way, I'm still in on GU, okay? And I have I have a $3 position that's up by about 3-4 pip at this point. Okay, so it's break even, and if it wants to come down on me, I will happily get stopped out because I've already made about 5,200 on that trade. Okay. Yes, 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 yes. Definitely, buddy. We still have to go oversold. I think so too, but lots of buyers sitting at our daily, right space. So we want to be careful. This is definitely a point that you want to liquidate your position, majority of your position, and of course you can then start a trailer or stop loss depending on if this keeps pushing further. So if we start to get rejected from here, your break-even stop loss can come down there, and then the next candle, if it pushes even lower, that stop loss can come down here, so you keep booking profits and whilst maximizing the chances of getting more out of your trade. All right, but guys, I got stopped out on my position that I entered in over here, the partial that was left, so I'm stopped out of this. Okay, and I just now have my feeler that's still running in these markets. Yes, I know, I was just looking at the DXY on my MetaTrader. Guys, I want to see W's in the chat. All right, who caught either of these? We have trades that are running. Some people are still in on GU. Goldie's running. Come on, guys, give us some W's. Show us some W's. I'm bloody sick, and I'm sitting here in front of you guys doing this for y'all, and I could have literally done this by myself off the stream just for myself. Okay, I could have taken the day off. I didn't. All right. Let's be a little active on the chat, and let's get those W's going. Okay. W. Love, man. W. Great stuff. Good stuff, guys. Good stuff. Okay. Raul, you've been making a lot of money today, bro. You've been Raul made some big bucks on on London as well on Cash's session. London was amazing today. London really was amazing today. Yes. You're a super pro, sir. Thank you so much, buddy. Thank you so much. Yes, cut. We break that. We could be going down to get a lower, to create a lower low. All right, but too oversold for my liking. That being said, we could still drop. It's a risky sell for me. Okay, if you're getting in on this, make sure your risk management is on point, buddy. All right, have a nice stop loss right there. So if you're going to be looking at this region, you're looking at about a 27-30 pip stop loss on gold. Make sure your lots are taken accordingly. GU continuation could most likely be coming in again. Okay, all of these trades are still active as well, you guys. Everything's triggered, everything's active, everything's respecting the strategy. All right, so that's who's in on Nasdaq. Is anyone in on Nasdaq? You had a break, retest, rejection. I'm in on Nasty. Good job, Cut. You're making some money, buddy. You're making some money on this. Yeah, guys, read what Millzone just said. Okay, our social media campaign is going to be starting. We've been putting in the work. We have we have our team that's been putting in the work. Okay, and we have some really good content. We have some really good content that's going to be coming your way, educational and extremely cool stuff as well. Okay, we've really been putting in the work. We're counting on you guys to get what we do over here going. Okay, so make sure to support us and don't be lazy like you guys are with the success stories and Twitter posts. Okay. Cram is giving it everything he's got right now. Cheers, man. Thank you. We can't help it. Alright, cool. Whew, okay. We could still have these cells that could come in. All right, maybe we happen to break down even more. I like what the RSI is doing right now. Okay, but they've so what's I wanna just actually open up GU a little bit. Okay, so what's happening on GU is we've been coming into a little bit of bullish divergence. Okay, just even though we have price that's doing that. Okay, oops, my bad. All right, but just if you look at this, we're pushing to the upside, right? So if it's very, very slight right now, but one candle can nullify this divergence, okay? So we have this level, and if from the same level I had to put on the RSI, we're going down, right? So we have some bullish divergence that's kicking in right now, but if we happen to drop, we'll create a new low. We'll basically just fill this gap down here, and the divergence will disappear. Okay, so there's divergence for right now, but it's really dependent on this candle as to how it's dependent on this candle as to how we're gonna possibly move down or up in the next couple of minutes. Okay. Cool. I think has someone put on the the YouTube link? Neha, could you send that across again if you don't mind, Neha? All right, the YouTube link. Um, make sure that you guys go on, subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Okay, and give a like to the stream as well. Probably gonna see my sick face today. Uh, but go on and make sure to get that done for us, okay? Thank you guys, thank you. Okay, please go on and make sure to like the stream, make sure to sub to the channel if you haven't already. Okay, I was still pushing. I'm not liking the rejections coming in. This is a nice level of demand, so what we can do now is we can start to maybe look for some buys if the rejection comes in. Okay, this is extremely strong. I see this. Okay, one-on-ones. You guys are watching this, right? So we could be expecting something like that back if you want to get the buy back. All right, so that being said, we could go up to test out this region, right? So if you want to have some short-term buys, you guys could 100% put these right here, okay? Okay, that's if they want to close above our now turn supply. This could still come back down though, no problem, alright? It's just gonna take a little bit of momentum push and we could go back down. We have another minute and 10 seconds to go for the new 15-minute candle. Okay, GU's picking back up. So what I meant, right? We need a hold here if the cells still wanna push through, okay? Otherwise the divergence is gonna begin to play out. That's why I liquidated my profits down there, right? Because I had spotted the divergence before it happened, and you could still be in on this, but if you're still in on the sales, guys, you're gonna have to go through the emotions, right? You're gonna have to go through the drawdown. You're gonna have to do all of that, even though the bigger term most likely is still the sales. Okay, so you need to. It's up to you if you can handle the emotions of these markets. Go for it. You know, if you have the right risk management, you won't be freaking out. But I know a lot of people that don't have the right risk management. Okay, so I was looking for my about 8-9 pips. I caught a little more than that. I caught a couple more pips than I wanted on this move, and I'm happy, alright? Which is why I'm out of this position. I completely liquidated right there. Since I started making money on cryptocurrency, I invested 7,000. My profits is 25,008. Wow, cool, man. Milzon, I think we're hitting the algo, okay? Because we have those scam comments coming on YouTube. You know, those generic um, portfolio managers I gotta have to ban them. Yeah, man. I invested 10,000 and made 100,000 in 10 hours. Please get in touch with CramFX and Forex trading. They're the best gurus that we know. We should get people to start putting that stuff out for us as well, man. I'll do it. Cheers, my man. Okay. Alright. Those buys we spoke about could be coming in right now, okay? Zone to zone, you guys. Please remember, we're scalping over here. Take what's yours and get out of these markets. You know, these markets, they don't owe us anything. You wanna take what you're getting and just be happy with that. Okay, so if the markets are giving you 5 pips on one day, take your 5 pips. If the markets are giving you 15 pips on another day, take your 15 pips. Have your pip target set. Okay, I had someone message me. I think it was this morning or yesterday. I'm not too sure, but I had someone message me, and they asked me, how many pips should I be looking for in a day? And I told them straight up. I was like, thanks, Scott. I told them straight up, and I was like, it's simple. You want to start with maybe a 20 pip target, and that's a very achievable target. And it's also a great target to have, 20 pips, and then build your way up. Once you start doing 20 for a week straight, move up to 50. Once you start doing 50 for a week straight, you could move up higher if you wanted, but 50 pips a day is beautiful. 50 pips with the right risk management can make you a shit ton of money. I'm not even kidding. I'm looking for like anywhere between 30 to 50 pips a day. And I'm not just talking about on New York, no, per day. Right? When I'm trading London, when I'm trading New York, that's all I'm looking for. I'm looking for my 50 pips, and I don't count my feelers naturally as my it doesn't add up to my pip count. But when I say 50 pips, I'm talking about 50 pips on my Lambo. All right, so I am just looking for that, And today, I had a good day. I had a great London session. I was already up by 1.1%. And I had already made my 20 pips on that, and I made another about 15, 17 pips for New York, and I'm done. I'm literally up by about close to 10 grand today, you guys. Close to 10 grand today. Okay, so I'm not complaining. I'm happy. I'm sick, and I'm still making money, and that's all you need. That's all you need. Okay, a couple of pips with the right risk management is all you need in these markets. 5 pip here. Space, not everyone's gonna be able to trade like that, okay, buddy? You've come a long way with the one-on-ones, man. You've come a long way. Would you say for myself? What do you say for myself? If I aim for 20 pips, I would just drop lot size for breathing space. You mean if you're looking for fewer pips, you drop your lot size? Well, it's different per person, right, JJ? Because I've had this conversation with Space as well, and you guys are very different traders. So the stuff that I recommended to Space is fuck. Look at the drop. Look at the drop on GU. It's different, okay? But bring this up over the weekend or whenever we have our session, and I'll break this down for you, alright? But it's not gonna work just that way if we're gonna be looking for shorter trades. I need to see where you're at, and then we'll see how the lot management and the money management can be adjusted. Okay, JJ? But I heard you're having some success with GU, my man. I'm really happy for you. Keep at it. Keep going, okay? Drops incoming. Beautiful. Okay? Let's go. Let's get that bread. I'm not going to get in again. All right? It's up to you guys. If y'all want to, I'm done. All right? Look at that. Who's trading the dirty? Shelby. Show me the W. Shelby, where are you at, bro? You better have made a W, okay? Better have made a W. Dirty W, good stuff, Will. Okay, super choppy on nasty. Very choppy on nasty, okay? A lot of catch up on successes and fails. Of course, brother, of course. It's always a bumpy road, okay? Trust me, man, when you get there, you're unstoppable. Hey, shall we making some dough? Shall we making some money? The drop's coming in. I love it. I love it. Okay, retest, reject, push. W on dirty. Congratulations, Shelby. Love it, man. I'm so happy for you, bro. Guys, Shelby is on the one-on-ones, and this man's determination is unreal. Okay, he has a language barrier. He understands English, but he has a tough time speaking it. And he's still here. It's been months. He's learnt. He's stuck by it. He's been on all the sessions, and it just makes me so happy to see that he's finally getting on board and making his money, okay? But that's the determination that you guys need in these markets, okay? No language, no sleep, no nothing should be a barrier when it comes to these markets, okay? If you have the will, you 100% will find a way. %4 on gold, Wakefield, Vanessa. Stop trading, buddy. Stop trading. I mean it. Stop trading. You're done. 4%'s a very, very big goal. I'm not up by 4% today. Stop trading, bro. You're good. Good, good, good. Get done. Chill out. Sit down. And you don't need to get in on anything else, okay? It's very important to know when to stop, you guys. It's very important to know when to stop. The biggest issue, everything's selling off, man. Everything's shotting today. Okay? The biggest issue that we have, that most traders have, me included in my early days, um I wouldn't know when to stop. Literally, I wouldn't know when to stop. And trading can be extremely addictive, right? So you're always sort of, you always want more. You make your 0.5%, you make your 1%, and you basically keep trying to get on every trade. You try to FOMO in to every trade, and that's the biggest issue. Look at the fucking drop on the dirty, man. Dirty's dropping, Nasty's dropping. Beautiful, beautiful moves. I hope you guys are banking on this. I hope you guys are. Look at that. Look at that. Okay, the biggest example to stop trading, it's in front of you right now. All right, if you're on YouTube, you can see me. Okay, I made what I had to make. These big moves are happening in front of me, and I'm not jumping in again. You know what I mean? A new trader right now looking at this volume would be hitting sell, 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 sell. Excuse me, guys. Sorry about that. A new trader would be hitting sell, 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 sell right now, okay? But me, no. I'm experienced in these markets. I know how these can completely reverse on me, and I made what I had to make, and I'm done, man. Y'all need to know when to stop. Y'all see me trade every single day. There should be an example for all of y'all, okay? Make what's yours, take what's yours. Don't be greedy, don't be fearful, and walk away from these markets. Same, absolutely. There's always going to be another day, just like Milt said. There's always another day. There's always another trade, and there's always more money for you guys to make in these markets. Okay, but let's not fall into the trap that the retail traders fall into, and let's know when to stop. Okay, everything's good. My dad used to always say this. He says, "Do everything, but do it all in a limit." Okay, you don't want to overdo anything because it'll only do more harm than good to you. And it's something that I never understood as a kid, but when I got into forex trading, it made the most sense to me, and I was like, wow, yeah, it works out. You need to stop, and you need to know when to stop. Everything has to be in the right control, in the right quantity, and that's when it's really going to start to work out for you. Preaching mostly to myself. I have to tell myself daily. I've written out rules to follow when I'm out. But you know what I used to do? Um, when I cracked my first funded account, okay? When I cracked my first one, when I became a live trader, This is years back now. All right, but I was still in the I was still in that phase of being addicted to trading, and FOMOing in to every single trade that I could, every box I needed to be in, right? So I wouldn't let that affect my funded. So what I do, and this is when I used to be on the evaluation, all right? So what I used to do is literally I used to have another phone just by me with MetaTrader and a demo account open on it. And back then, now MetaTrader lets you flip from account to account, right? But back then you couldn't flip from account to account, and I used to just keep my primary driver away, and I used to just trade on a demo. I would keep my phone completely out of my reach, completely out of my sight, just so that I'm not enticed to get in on any sort of trades. Because if I made my money, I can't be losing what I've already made. So you have to just let it go. Or if you still have that itch to take a trade, switch over to a demo, man. Switch over to a demo. That's all you need. Trust me. Okay, I don't know who's on YouTube right now. I see 5 people, but what's up, you guys? If you're new here, welcome to Forex Trading. Excuse my voice, I don't always sound like this. It's just I'm extremely unwell today. But if you guys are here, we're basically scalpers. We scalp these markets, and we're technical traders. We look for break of structure areas, and we get in and get out of these trades. Okay, so we already are in a couple of trades, as y'all can see. We're in the Dow cells, we're in the nasty cells, we're in the gold cells, and we're in the GU cells. We made some money on these, we made some pips on these, and we look forward to having you guys join us. Okay, so if anyone's new on YouTube, you want to go ahead and find how do they find out Discord server, Mills? That's something we've got to talk about. But anyway, we're live for London and New York same time. So the ones on YouTube, make sure to come and catch us exactly where you're at right now on YouTube, okay? I actually do some work now instead of looking to trade. My efficiency of work increased tenfold. Yes, sir. I trade wrong today. I'll take my loss and move on. What happened, buddy? Everything was pretty textbook today. Yes, or pin it as a comment on the live. Yes, thank you, buddy. We'll get that done. Thank you so much. Will do, Neha. Will do. Yes, thank you guys so much. Benedict, it's all good, man. It's all good. Happens to the best of us. Okay. Look at those drops, man. Anyone in on the dirty? Anyone in on this right now? Are nasty? They're dropping, man. They're seriously dropping. I caught dirty W. Congratulations, cut. Yeah, JJ can do, buddy. No problem, okay? Can work it out. Cheers, Mills. Take it easy, my man. Have a good meeting. Get us some funding. Talk to you soon, buddy. Okay, guys, I'm not gonna stay for too much longer. I think y'all can hear it from my voice. I'm not feeling the best today. All right, so I'll leave momentum. I'm probably gonna wait for the next 2-3 minutes, and then I'm gonna head out. Okay, I'm gonna call it a session. I know that we've all already made some nice bucks on these trades. All right, so we're happy. I'm gonna get off, cut my pips. It's happy to start leaving the markets. Absolutely, buddy. Cheers, JJ. Take it easy. Okay, and guys, for the one-on-ones, all right. Like I keep telling y'all, we don't have to. We have very limited slots today. Slots from now. All right. So there is one that's open. We had someone that ended that finished their course yesterday, and we still have that slot open. Okay, so if you guys want to grab it, now's your time, because I'm not going to be doing the one-on-ones for too much longer. It's just probably going to be for the rest of the May. We're looking to change the structure of the way the one-on-ones are done. Okay, so there is currently an 8-week wait time for the one-on-ones, but we do have an express package for the bigger course, which makes you skip the wait line and you basically get started on it's a weekend course. Okay, so you jump the line and you get started. All right, so let us know. I'm not going to be doing this for too much longer, and bro, if you can send me a friend request or send Cash a friend request on just send us a message and we will send you all the information that you need for it. Okay, I've already gotten 2 friend requests. If you could please tell me what your username is, so that I'll make sure that I talk to you first before I pass it on to the rest. Okay, I'm in the Discord. Awesome. Just send us a hi and we'll get you covered. Okay, so if in the next couple of minutes, if I'm here in the Discord, gotcha, Alpha T-Gen. Okay, so if it goes to Alpha T-Gen, then we don't have another slot, but I'll keep you guys updated. All right, and let us know if you guys want to get hooked up with it, because I'm not going to be doing this for too long. I'm only going to be doing it for the ones that are already in on the one-on-one mentorship program, and we always have a ball of a time on them. There's a lot of learning, it's a lot of talking, it's a lot of fun, and most importantly, it's a lot of live trading. All right, so if you guys want to get it done with CramFX, now's the time. We'll still have these going, but we'll probably be having someone else do them. Probably get someone on board that's going to be able to stream for you guys. Okay, sure thing, Alpha Teacher and Buddy, sure thing. Okay, great guys. So we had a lovely session. This is really good. Again, apologies for my voice. It's been a really tough day, and I also have a one-on-one session after this, which I have to get done. So I'm probably going to take a little time off, a little time to just recoup, and I'm going to get back to work. Okay, so thank you guys so much. This was an awesome session. All right, there's going to be no London tomorrow. Excuse me, 1 second. Okay, I'm sorry about that. There's going to be no London tomorrow, but there is going to be New York. Okay, so we're going to be back for New York tomorrow. We're gonna do our thing as we always do. It could be a pretty choppy day. Letting you guys know, 32 of y'all that are here right now. New York's gonna happen an hour later tomorrow, so we're gonna be live for market open rather than for the news time. Okay, so it's gonna happen an hour later, but you guys will get the reminders. Like I keep saying, okay, my army of millionaires, we're going strong, we're going crazy. Next week's a big week for us, for all of us here at Forex. Our social media campaign starts. We're gonna be all over the place, and very, very soon, man. Trust me, in the next couple of weeks, you're gonna hear the name Forex Trading every single where. If you guys are on YouTube, you guys will see our company logo behind me, and you're going to be hearing this name every single where, I promise you guys. Okay, thank you all so much, my army of millionaires. I appreciate each and every one of y'all. Have a great rest of the day, afternoon, evening, night, whatever it is, wherever you guys are, and I will catch you guys for the next session. Also, before y'all head out, okay, let these translate to some success stories. Okay, I'm here, I'm sick, and I made sure to do this for you guys. You guys can just get up some success stories and some Twitter posts for us. Okay, Kyle, you're welcome, buddy. Oh yeah, don't worry about it, Kyle, I got you, man. I'll just take a little bit of a break and I'll be fine for you. Okay, thank you, Cram. Thanks guys, thanks so much. I will feel better by tomorrow, I reckon, but it's all good. Okay, so thank you guys so much. And success stories, let's get posting, okay, because we've had a really, really good London and New York session. I know you guys have made money today. All right, so it doesn't matter if you made a little bit, it doesn't matter if you were on a demo account, it doesn't matter if you just picked up some value out of this session. Okay, but as long as you got something, just post up for us, okay? And that's all we ask. Thank you guys so much. This was an awesome session. I will catch you guys tomorrow. I'm Cram, my partner's Cash and Millzone, and this is Forex Trading, you guys. Signing out. Bye. Have a good one.